Do you know who she is?
She's speaking Brazilian Portuguese, if that helps jog your memory.
What am I, Rosetta Stone?
Well, we have reason to believe she's a prostitute. Any of your girls, maybe from 15 years back, speak Portuguese?
I don't know who sent you guys, but you obviously got the wrong idea about me. As you can plainly see, I'm a purveyor of fine meats.
No, Leon, we were told that you run a pretty lucrative business on the side.
Now you're flattering me. I make a mean barbecue sauce, but I don't make much money on it.
You know, I find it interesting you haven't asked what any of this is about.
I have a dreadful lack of curiosity.
Well, let me fill you in. A child was murdered yesterday, and at his home, they found blood on his front door. Pig's blood.
You know what? It actually just occurred to me, but I feel like this is the sort of shop you can find a lot of pig's blood.
Oh, you're right.
We're not saying you had anything to do with this, Leon, but we are saying that the FBI is desperate for any leads, and it would be a shame if we had to shut your shop down to collect DNA samples to try to identify the source of that pig's blood.
Hey, look. I don't know nothing about blood on a door. But I think I do remember something about a couple of Brazilian girls used to work for an acquaintance of mine.
What were their names?
Raquel Castro and Luisa Gomez. Raquel moved back to Brazil in '95.
What about Luisa?
That bitch, she totally betrayed my buddy.
Did she walk out on him?
No. She married his best customer.